Well, my message to all Nigerians is a call for unity. It's a call for us to understand that what binds us together supersedes whatever that divides us. Incidentally, the Ramadan coincided with the Lent season for our Christian brothers and sisters. We believe that the 30 days of fasting that we endured or we observed calls for a deeper reflection for us to understand that unity and peace of this country is absolutely essential for our development. There can never be peace without development. There can never be development without peace. We should call on all Nigerians to fuse into one and face our common challenges of underdevelopment, insecurity, and destitution. We want to salute the governor of Borno State, the Shehu of Borno, and all the people of Borno for their resilience, for their commitment, and for their passion to enthrone peace, social harmony, and progress in Borno, the Northeast, and the nation as a whole. And to you, the gentlemen of the press and the common people, we appreciate you, we adore you, we respect you. Thank you very much.
Excellency. Kausu shikoro ari kuma da sarayo ai mana da mana zo bin ruwa sanare lecture din sai bari ce zu wala zu rakala dim godwala dim istighfar min dim dinan lehran fara kori ma gurbo ne amma da baben din lecture sai bari sabai riwa kun da dai ari kuma da sarayo kamar kausu shikoro sanare subman awala kamu faida sidan ka ajin zuba na janna ba ya sai duwala ada zalimi ada harimi ada yillini ada nige ya da ba ada kuma da sai sai ada situ sai soro ada de wacce aha gabul basar shin da zan yi wani kamsa da dole mun biya kam koji na ha salam saya mau masuk hati-hati oleh mereka betul besar wakil azab boleh salam sini misalnya boleh kamu hati-hati boleh kamu keludi boleh kira simalu boleh kira simalu ada salam dulu salam saya betul salam dah mulai dan salam tu hati punya boleh semua hati ada situ just ni mulai salam saya salam ni hari begini kalau berapa hari ni kama krawat suri ne hade su kira a tare da yawa kira talata gibin talata